Welcome to this fun dinosaur excavating project. We just got this jumbo dinosaur slime. It's an amber goo.
Whoa.
Amber goo. So we're gonna try to dig out and see if we can find some dinosaur bones. We got this slime at TJ Maxx for $7.99.
This one's actually not so sticky. It didn't even come
How
out.
are we gonna get it out of there?
Oh! My hand. Just get a bone. Okay, I can't. Okay, I'm just
Now you have to pull the slime out first.
Oh, let's pull out the slime. Wait, no, this is amber glue, Wemble. Oh! No, let me do this. Look at all the amber glue. No, I got. Oh, did you get a dinosaur bone? Wow. I'm not to break them.
Eva, get a dinosaur bone.
Look at that. No. Look at this giant. I got the dinosaur bone. What is it? Wow. Mom, no dinosaur babies. No. I think what baby dinosaurs look like.
So we're gonna get them out of the goo.
Yeah.
Still working on getting hers out of the goo.
Yeah, and then I think if I tell you what dinosaur it is. Plesiosaurus.
A plesiosaurus.
I think I know what this is. I'm grabbing bones. Bones for myself. What's that for my pile of bones? Oh, whoa! Ow! I'm pulling out a dinosaur bone. Oh, wow. What? This isn't
What did
even
you get?
sticky.
Really?
I got a velociraptor.
Wow, look at this slime. It's really stretchy and then it breaks.
I got T-Rex. This is, I got a wine neck.
Eva got maybe like a diplodocus.
No, it's a wine neck.
It's a type of a long neck. Diplodocus is a type of a long neck, or an allosaurus or something like that.
Mom, I think I just got a T-Rex. Plesiosaurus.
Plesiosaurus.
Yeah, I told him that it was a plesiosaurus. He didn't know it. I just fixed this and then it slowly moves. Yeah, because it's so sick.
That's a type of a ceratops, I think.
Hey. Mom, look at this! Whoa, this T-Rex is amazing. It's a baby. Can you help me get this triceratops off? I'm just going to walk on mine now. There's no more. See if we feel any. Wait, if there's 3, 2, but it's very stretchy. Wow, I got triceratops. I hope I prove it.
We have these toothpicks here you could use to get the little tiny pieces off of there.
Mom! You guys
Let's see, Ava, what is
I
it?
could do you so I know.
It's a type of a ceratops. Maybe it's an Ankyceratops. Ankyceratops, how do you say it?
This is
Ankyceratops.
a
There's a diplodocus.
I'm going to take some swine out.
Ankyceratops.
Let's see what happens, what sinks or floats.
Yay!
I got a triceratops.
Everybody got 2 dinosaurs.
I got a T-Rex and a triceratops. And I think I have a battle. Guys, I found this.
Eva's favorite is the plesiosaurus.
Yeah, I wanted the plesiosaurus. I already got. Oh, I gotta dig this dinosaur out. You have to use. Come on, let's dig this triceratops out.
Yeah, you can rebury them over and over again, I suppose, right?
Yeah. Wow. Boop, boop. Yeah.
Why don't you guys split it? What is that?
It's a giant alien toy. Would you push here? Another mouth. Oh no, the dinosaur is thinking. Its mouth can close and it has 4 arms and 20 fingers. It's eaten. out the bones. Mom. That's the second mouth. Oh, the slime is sailing. And now we are gonna get this fossil is very awesome. I'm gonna do some science. First, smash it up. This. Oh wait, I have a scientist book. This is the body of the T-Rex. Alien eats the body, and then he just turns into a pile of bones.
And then spits out the bones like an owl.
Yeah, but we dug to owl slow up.
They're called owl pellets.
Yeah, owl pellets.
Owls eat like rodents, mice, and things like that, and then they puke up the bones in like a little pellet a few days later. And so the kids got to dissect the pellets, and they found all kinds of real bones inside.
Yeah, now we're doing swine bones. There's so many bones in the world. Whoa, and then I'm digging out the sky again. And the slime is covered over him. So this is a Triceratops T-Rex. So it's basically an omnivore, and then nom.
He's gonna eat it, and then he's gonna spit out the bones.
No, this is and then spit out the bones, and it's buried into the ground. No, it's dinosaurs, and it's humongous giant monster that's never letting go.
Oh no, he's getting sucked into the giant goo monster.
And it's not gonna suck his head, because his head is one.
His head is up high, but he just can't walk because his legs are stuck in the goo.
Only the monster can walk for him. And then, power up.
No, don't get his head.
No, get his head. Oh, I'm trying to pull this Triceratops out. Whoa, get out. Oh! It's so close to getting down. What? I did not see this one in the slime. What is this thing? What? I don't know. Some dinosaurs' names I don't know. I have to remember them. Triceratops? Oh no! It took his head off, Mom.
Oh no, it covered its head. My hand is trapped in the goo. And this is definitely not as runny as normal slime. So I kind of like it. It's not as messy. Oh no, he's gonna get stuck in the goo. Oh no, he got stuck in the goo. Ah.
It's a good thing his tail is still out.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.
It's like a very giant thumbs up. Don't forget you subscribe to the channel. Oh, and also give the riddle today.
Whoa.
Humongous!
So the great thing about this toy is that you can use and reuse them over and over again.
Yeah.
Having fun
And
burying them and unburying.
How is the water gonna get past this humongous rock?
Oh no!
We have to step on it.
He's gonna sink. He's gonna sink into
He
the goo.
jumped.
Yay! He made it.
hope you had fun checking out our cool dinosaur bone finds and our amber goo. You can do your own experiment at home with play sand or slime or Play-Doh. Have fun!